So Amber Homes, Lavara is a prestigious project, 100 acres HMD layout. So with all approvals, spot registration. So nearby Tukkugoda and Mucharla. Huge pharmacy is coming up in 19,300 acres.
अच्छा फार्मासिटी इसी एरिया में है?
Yes.
यहाँ से कितना दूर है?
So it's a pharmacy residential zone. Total is a pharmacy layout.
So this is part of the pharmacy residential
yes.
zone.
Yes, exactly.
Okay.
So how we can
Pharmacity is a big development project by the present government.
So pharmacy has divided pharma manufacturing zone है. A pharma township है. A yellow color.
हाँ.
This is our project. Who are all working in pharmacy area as our university or R&D or manufacturing zone. Entire is manufacturing zone. So whereas the residential zone is a yellow color.
Okay. So they all will be residing here.
Yes, exactly, sir. This pink color is Pharma University. So next nearby to our project.
Yes.
University and manufacturing zone and R&D zone, entire employees is going to be stay at a residential zone.
Yes.
So the yellow color is Pharma residential zone. Whoever works here, they have to come and stay here. That's why we come up with 100 acres with all approvals. First, use villa projects. Villa project, 100 acres villa project. And moreover, connectivity as per connectivity concerned, Tukkugoda, everybody knows about that.
Yes.
All Tukkugoda, from Tukkugoda to Kandukur, there are huge number of E-City, PAB City, electronic zone, and recently they inaugurated medical college and hospital. Just because of the pharmacy. All are upcoming area.
Correct.
So now that is the right time to right place to invest in Mucharla. Who are all looking for
This
site?
is the correct time. It's
Yes.
the birth time.
Yes, exactly. Exactly. This is initial.
Before it grows too big,
Yes. Yes,
this
sir.
is the correct time.
Yes, sir. Yes. Whoever looks before going to the open plot, they will see the all approvals.
Yes.
Whether it is HMD layout or DTCP layout like that.
Correct.
It is HMD layout with all approvals. You can able to see the in and around the compound wall, 100 feet road, 60 feet road, main road, internal roads, 40 feet roads.
That internal layout is also here?
Is there. Is the layout.
Oh, wow.
This is the layout.
Where is our main entrance?
Where you
we
entered
came
here.
from here.
Yes, sir. This is 60 feet road, main road.
Correct.
60 feet road.
So we are sitting here, huh?
Exactly this feet, sir.
I could
This
see
place.
my color turban.
This place.
Right.
We sit here itself. So, ample parks are there in and around the site. Parks. Main road is 60 feet approach road. Here 100 feet road is there. This is also 60 feet road. So Pharmacity 200 feet road is coming up here, very near to this site.
Average size of plots?
187 square yard. 187 square yard.
Each plot?
200 square yard.
You have range?
Yes, 250 square yard. 500 square yards also there. Corner bits are 1000 square yards are there.
This is 1000?
Yes, for apartment bits and all.
Correct.
So 1000 square yards are there.
And current value for purchase?
So actual price is 18,000. For a special rate for like us, we are going to offer 15,000 rupees.
15,000 per square yard?
For square yard. Suppose a normal man can able to buy 200 square yard, so 30 lakhs budget. Suppose if you want to go for bank loan, 15 lakhs bank loan and the remaining 15 lakhs for...
These corner plots, 1000, this will become 15 lakhs. No, this will become how much? 1000 square
1000
yards?
square yards into 15,000, 1.5 CR.
1.5.
1.5 CR.
1.5 CR.
1.5 CR. 1000 square yards.
Indoor games.
See, when you buy, these are good.
Yeah.
And moreover,
If you want
internal...
to make your own villa, you can make your own villa. You want
Yes.
to sell, you have 3 sides open. Easy to sell.
And moreover, all the developments like internal clubhouse, amenities, lawn area, practice, cricket practice, swimming pool, and tennis court, football court, everything is coming up, all the parking areas. Nice. Green
How much
patches are
is it? 1.5.
1.5 CR for a
1000 square yards.
square yard plot. So now this is their own layout, complete. and it has got its all the approvals
Yes.
and the amenities which. So this brochure itself is a document.
Yes.
Whatever they commit in the brochure becomes a promise. You can actually use this as a reference, right? Now, as far as the approach is concerned, here is the map.
Location.
Where are we now? Apna ki
Here,
हाँ,
Ambera Homes.
So we are here.
This is the regional ring road.
हम लोग अभी कहाँ से आए? ORR
ये
से
तुकुगुड़ा exit number 14.
करेक्ट 14 से आके
Straight
हाईवे
away.
से आके इधर घुस गया पतला गली में करेक्ट
Regional ring road इधर से आए सर.
हाँ ये रीजनल रिंग रोड है
Before regional ring road, after
करेक्ट
ring road. In between regional ring road
I'll tell
and
you what is triple R. This is triple R, this is ORR.
ORR.
I'll tell you what is the difference.
yes,
And this has created the new buzz.
yes,
ORR is the original ring around the city. So everything is saturated at the ORR. I showed you Coca Pit.
Yeah.
That is completely saturated all around. Now the triple R is 30 kilometers out. This is the new boundary. So Pharma City is one of the biggest projects ever from this government. So this is where the Pharma City is, this is where their own residential system is, and this is where his plots are,
Okay.
inside the residential zone.
in the residential zone.
Yes,
So if anybody is working here, if you want to keep it for rent, you can give it for rent. You want to construct, you can construct and give it on rent. You want to sell, it will sell like hotcakes.
Okay.